stateroom 6610 on the Fantasy. This is a category 4 and sleeps 5 people. You can see it has a split bathroom with a tub, and this is a round tub in these category 4s. And bed, super long vanity here with lots of storage space. There's a pull down Murphy here and a pull down from the ceiling. And there is our veranda. That's it. It's a great size room for 5 people.